Hello, my name is Courtney. I am here today to walk you through some key aspects and information about Growing Growers Farm Apprenticeship Program. We are a collaborative apprenticeship program model that consists of four main components. The first of which is apprentices receive on-farm work experience that is led by one of our many host farmers. We, as a program, facilitate workshops and farm tours throughout the growing season and provide access to the online course, textbooks, and various materials. When you sign up for the program, you receive access to an asynchronous online course for 12 months. The fieldwork portion of the program lasts about 6 months from March until graduation in August. Some farmers may keep apprentices through the fall and winter seasons, and even on through the next growing season. Our program offers a flexible commitment in 3 key ways. We offer a self-paced online course accessible for 12 months. We offer volunteer, part-time, and full-time positions at all of our host farms. And we provide online and in-person workshops throughout the growing season. We pair apprentices with local expert host farmers to gain real on-farm experience. With over 45 host farms across Kansas and Missouri, you can choose the farm that best matches your production interests, from cut flower production to diversified vegetable production. This program is multidisciplinary, providing apprentices the opportunity to learn much more about farming than just growing crops. Depending on the host farm, apprentices may also gain experience with marketing, packaging for CSAs and farmers markets, retail sales for farmers markets, agritourism, or livestock management. Those who pursue the full apprenticeship track will receive 8 to 10 hours of one-on-one training from their host farmers. This is customized mentorship that can be tailored towards anything that the apprentice is interested in learning about, whether that be budgeting, soil building, market planning, or anything under the sun related to farming. We hold 4 core workshops from March to August that cover topics on sustainable agriculture and are taught by local farmers, extension agents, and other experts. Apprentices are required to attend 3 out of 4 of the core workshops. We also hold several elective workshops throughout the season, and apprentices are encouraged to attend as many of these as they can so they can explore specific interests that might not be part of the core workshop series. We offer several textbooks and materials to help support our online course. This material is paired with workshops, so at each workshop, the apprentice will receive a new book or printed item. These items cover a wide variety of topics ranging from business planning to sustainable production principles. Through this program, apprentices interact with one another through workshops and meetings to build relationships that can last a lifetime. Additionally, apprentices meet and connect with local agricultural experts and program leaders through these workshops and events, hopefully building business connections that may land them jobs in the future. We offer scholarships to assist with tuition coverage for those experiencing financial hardship or underrepresentation in the agricultural industry. If you are interested in a scholarship, please reach out to receive an application. The application window closes on March 12th, 2026. However, you can apply to the program today by clicking on the 2026 Apprenticeship application link in our bio or scanning the QR code below.